Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Finbuzz Learning. So today we are going to discuss about demerger and their types. We will also understand the importance of demerger for the shareholders. Let's understand the demerger first. So, in the simple words, we can say that when a large company separates into two or more individual entity and both operates individually, we will call it as a demerger. We can also say that the demerger helps the company to separate its different business into the separate legal entity to focus on their core business. So, the restructure activity is a corporate level decision to ensure that the business runs smoothly. Now, the company runs the spin-off entity by its own, or we can say that they keep the ownership of the company or they sell some or all the ownership to the other company. Now, let's understand the importance of demerger for the shareholder. Demerger gives the benefits of assessing multiple opportunities like getting additional shares in the spun-off company, and the company will focus on their core business and the chance of profitability will increase. Now, the company management works more accurately and efficiently due to the demerger, which help company to get better result. So, we can say that the overall performance of the business gets increased and the result of the company shows improvement. Hence, it will make positive impact on the company's stock price. Now, we will learn about the types of demergers. So, there are 4 types of demergers, which are spin-off, split-off, split-up, and equity carve-out. Let's understand the different types of demergers in detail. So, starting with the first type, which is a spin-off, where the parent company creates a new unit as a separate legal entity and keep the stake into the new company. Now, let's understand it with an example. So, suppose if company A currently handles 2 lines of business such as banking and asset management, and now they want to focus on the core business, which is the banking. Then they will spun off the asset management unit into the separate legal entity as a company B. Now company A will get stake into the company B, or we can say that they will retain the ownership of company B. Now into the spin-off, shareholders generally receive 1 share of the spin-off into the newly created spin-off entity. Now we will understand the next type of demerger, which is split-off. So this is also same as spin-off, but in the split-off, the shareholder has the option to keep their current share or exchange all or some of them with the newly created spun-off entity shares. So we can say that if the shareholder is holding the 100 shares of company A and the company is spun off a new entity as a company B, then the shareholder can exchange the whole or some of the 100 shares with the new spun off company. Now coming to the third type, which is split up. Into this, the parent company is split into 2 or more independent entity and the parent company get dissolved. So if we take example of company A, which announced this split up into 2 different legal entity, then the company B and C created and company A get dissolved and closed. Coming to the last type of demerger, which is equity carve-out. So, in this, when the company decided to sell the sum or full ownership of the newly created company to any investor or an external party. Now, when the spun-off company sold out, the parent company does not have any stake and authority into the decision-making process for the company. This is how the equity carve-out is different from the spin-off and splits. Hope this video helps you to understand the demerger and their types. Please press the like, share and subscribe button. And yes, don't forget to your thoughts about our video into the comment section.